Everybody, it's Tim at Engine Factory. Just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevrolet 450 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1972 Camaro Z28. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build. We have the late model block, 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain in there, brand new balancer, Edelbrock aluminum heads on here. Customer wanted. We have the roller rocker arms all adjusted and set, 383 stroker valve covers with the matching air cleaner, the black intake manifold with the black thermostat housing, thermostats installed, quick fuel carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, MSD ignition coil in place, Taylor ignition wires in red, made in USA, all the wire markers on there, correct oil pan for the 72 Z28, brass freeze plugs. We have the standard flywheel, proper tooth count and balance for the 383 Chevy and the customer's transmission, high torque starter, chrome dipstick and tube, small cap distributor, real important on the Z28 for firewall clearance, manifold vacuum fittings installed for easy vacuum hookups, PCV ventilation line, heavy duty Russell, PCV valves installed. Customer wanted the braided fuel lines. We put them on there with the red fittings. They're installed. High flow fuel pump, inline gas filter installed. We have the black diamond Wraptor pulley kit, real nice, with the AC compressor on there, self-tensioning belt tensioner, heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, high flow aluminum water pump, 160 amp 1-wire hookup alternator, power steering pumps on there, all set. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes at the Engine Factory. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand, all the readings, manifold vacuum reading, water temperature, oil pressure, cold and hot, carburetor fully adjusted, timing set, complete, turnkey, again, ready to go. So that's our 383 450 horse package. Thanks for watching.